Hey guys, this is Janelle Root with i5. Today we're going to go over the adaptive radar cruise control in the RAV4. Okay, in order to utilize your adaptive radar cruise control, this is your toggle and your cancel button here. You would first push this one right here and set it using this button right here. Oh, turning it on first, sorry. That's going to be 150 feet, 100 feet, and 50 feet. And what that does is it sets the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. You, of course, would press set it, and then you're done. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can also like and share for more videos.